listenaminute.com. Tourism. Tourism has changed a lot over the past few decades. It is actually quite a new thing. It probably didn't exist 50 years ago. The only people who travelled then were rich, and they were called travellers. I guess tourism started in the late 60s and early 70s, when airplane travel became cheap. The idea of foreign travel suddenly became very popular with millions. Everyone wanted their 2 weeks of sun in the summer. Tourism today is a multi-billion-dollar industry. There is hardly a corner of the earth untouched by tourism. The number of tourists is also rocketing. Millions of people from Russia, India and China are now taking vacations. Tourism really is making the world a global village. I'm not sure if this is a good or a bad thing.